If you want to build a website, one of the first decisions you have to make is where to host it. There are many hosting companies out there, but one name that many beginners hear again and again is Bluehost. It has been around for a long time and is often recommended for small website, blogs, and WordPress users. But as hosting options have improved over time, you might be wondering, is Bluehost still worth it? In this video, I will review the Bluehost and explain its strengths and weakness in a simple way so you can decide if it fits for your needs. So Bluehost is a web hosting provider that lets you to put your website online. It offers different kind of plans, from simple shared hosting for beginners to more powerful hosting for larger sites. It also makes it easy to install WordPress and other website tool with just one click. But even though Bluehost is popular, not everything is perfect, and it is important to see both sides before choosing it. Welcome back to Easy Access Tech, the channel where we simplify technology for your business and help you to choose the right tools without any confusion. In today's video, we are reviewing Bluehost to see if is it still worth to buying for hosting your website. If that sounds good to you, make sure to subscribe this channel and don't forget to use the link in the description if you want to try Bluehost for yourself. Then if you check the link from description, any available discount or free domain offer that will be applied automatically. Now let's come to the main part of the video. One of the biggest advantages of Bluehost is how beginner friendly it is. When you start Bluehost, that give you a free domain name for the first year and a free SSL certificate, which means your website will be secure and trusted by browsers. The control panel is simple to use and you can install WordPress with one click, so you don't need any technical knowledge to get started. This is a big reason why many people choose Bluehost when they are building their first website. Another strong point is reliable uptime. Most websites hosted on Bluehost to stay online with strong uptime, meaning your visitor can access your site almost all the time without any interruptions. Reliable uptime and decent loading speed are very essential if you want people to stay and interact with your website. Many users report that Bluehost keeps their site stable most of the time, which is exactly what a small business or blog needs. Bluehost also has good WordPress integration because it is officially recommended by WordPress.org. So it works smoothly with themes and plugins, and it makes daily tasks like updating your site much easier. You don't have to worry about any technical setup, and this can save you time and stress if you are not experienced with website hosting. Bluehost offers 24/7 customer support through the live chat and the phone. This is helpful if you run into any problem and need the quick answers. You can get support. They also provide tutorial and guide in case you want to learn how to do things by yourself. But here we come to the first drawback. Some users say that support quality and response time vary, especially when the questions are more advanced. For simple issues, support is fine, but for a technical problem, it may take longer to get a solution. Another important thing to understand about the Bluehost is pricing. Hosting often looks very cheap when you first sign up. Bluehost sometimes offers introductory pricing that is very attractive for the first time, but after the initial period ends, the renewal prices are significantly higher. This jump in cost can surprise many beginners who didn't expect the increase. This means Bluehost can be affordable at the first, but you should plan for the higher cost in the long run. There is also some limitations in features on the basic plans. For example, daily backups, advanced performance tools, and stacking the features may not be included unless you upgrade to a higher plan. If your website grows or you start a business that need more advanced feature, you might find Bluehost basic plan less complete than some competitors. A few people say they faced issues like slow loading speeds during the peak traffic or even site downtime, though this is not universal. This kind of experience shows that while Bluehost works well for many basic websites, but it may not always be perfect for every situation, especially if you expect the high performance under heavy traffic. So is Bluehost still the worth? For beginners, bloggers, small business owners, and first-time website builders, Bluehost remain a solid choice because It is very easy to use, it integrates well with the WordPress and provides essential hosting features at reasonable introductory prices. However, if you are planning a website with heavy traffic or advanced needs, or if you are very sensitive to pricing increases after the first year, you might want to compare Bluehost with the other hosting providers before deciding. To summarize, Bluehost offers a reliable and easy way to host your website with features that help the beginners to get started. It may lack some advanced tools or premium hosts, and the cost increases when you renew. But for many people starting online, it is still a good and trustworthy hosting option. So that's all basically for today's video. If this Bluehost review helped you to decide whether it is still worth for your website, then give this video a like, subscribe to Easy Access Tech for more honest tech reviews and simple guides. Thank you so much for watching this video. See you in the next one. Bye bye.